Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 12 cheap motorcycles that run 300,000 miles on basic maintenance. Number 12, Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 proves that a motorcycle does not need a high price tag or massive horsepower to deliver exceptional long-term durability. In the United States, the Meteor 350 typically starts at around $5,000, making it one of the most affordable ways to own a dependable everyday motorcycle. What makes this machine stand out is its simple engineering. The air oil-cooled single-cylinder engine avoids unnecessary complexity, which means there are fewer components that can fail over hundreds of thousands of miles. Owners who stay consistent with basic maintenance such as regular oil changes, chain adjustments, valve inspections, and air filter replacements often report years of trouble-free riding. The engine is designed to operate at relaxed speeds rather than being pushed to its limits, reducing long-term stress on internal components. The Meteor 350 is also inexpensive to maintain. Replacement parts are generally affordable, labor costs are lower because of the bike's straightforward layout, and routine service tasks are easy to perform. The comfortable riding position and smooth power delivery encourage owners to use it frequently, and motorcycles that are ridden regularly and maintained properly often last longer than neglected machines. For riders looking for a budget-friendly machine that can stay dependable for decades, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 remains one of the strongest examples that simple engineering and consistent maintenance can go a very long way. Number 11, Honda Nighthawk 750. The Honda Nighthawk 750 has earned a reputation as one of the toughest motorcycles Honda ever built. Although many examples on American roads today are decades old, countless Nighthawks continue starting every morning and covering miles with remarkable consistency. When these motorcycles were new, they offered tremendous value, and even today used models often sell for well under $5,000, making them an affordable choice for riders who prioritize reliability over flashy technology. At the heart of the Nighthawk 750 is a proven inline-4 engine that was engineered for longevity. Honda intentionally avoided unnecessary complexity, creating a power plant that can withstand years of commuting, touring, and daily riding with only routine maintenance. One reason the Nighthawk has survived so well is its reputation for being nearly impossible to wear out when properly maintained. Many long-term owners report six-figure mileage without major internal engine work, a rare achievement for any motorcycle. With basic maintenance and responsible ownership, this motorcycle has all the qualities needed to approach extraordinary mileage figures, making it one of the most durable, budget-friendly motorcycles ever sold in America. Number 10, Yamaha Vstar 650. The Yamaha Vstar 650 is one of those motorcycles that quietly builds a loyal following through reliability rather than attention-grabbing performance numbers. In the United States, used examples are commonly available between $3,000 and $6,000, making it an affordable cruiser that has proven it can stay on the road for an incredibly long time. Riders looking for a motorcycle capable of accumulating huge mileage with minimal drama often place the Vstar 650 near the top of their lists. Its biggest strength is the proven air-cooled V-twin engine. Yamaha designed this powerplant with durability as a priority, and the result is an engine known for running year after year with very few serious issues. Because it operates at relatively low engine speeds, internal components experience less wear compared to high-revving motorcycles. Routine maintenance is simple and inexpensive. Oil changes, spark plug replacements, air filter service, and occasional drivetrain maintenance are usually all that is needed to keep the motorcycle running smoothly. Owners frequently praise the bike's ability to handle daily commuting, weekend rides, and long-distance touring without developing major mechanical problems. For riders searching for a low-cost cruiser with a long history of dependable service, the Yamaha Vstar 650 continues to stand out. Number 9, Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X is one of the simplest motorcycles sold in America during its production years, and that simplicity is exactly why it deserves a place on this list. Used examples are often available for between $3,000 and $5,000, making it one of the most affordable motorcycles capable of delivering remarkable long-term reliability. While it may not produce huge power numbers, the TU250X focuses on something far more valuable for many riders: dependable transportation that keeps running year after year. Its fuel-injected 249cc single-cylinder engine is known for durability and efficiency. Unlike motorcycles that rely on complicated systems and high-performance tuning, the TU250X uses a straightforward design that minimizes mechanical stress. The engine spends most of its life operating comfortably within its limits, which helps reduce wear on critical components. Maintenance costs are exceptionally low. Oil changes are inexpensive, replacement parts are reasonably priced, and the motorcycle's simple construction makes many maintenance tasks easy to perform. For riders seeking a budget-friendly machine capable of surviving extraordinary mileage, the Suzuki TU250X is a strong reminder that reliability is not always tied to engine size. Number 8. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is proof that a modern cruiser can be affordable, practical, and incredibly reliable at the same time. A new Vulcan S typically starts at around $8,000, making it one of the best values in the midsize cruiser segment. While many cruisers focus heavily on style, the Vulcan S combines comfortable riding manners with a powertrain that has earned a strong reputation for durability. Its biggest advantage comes from the proven 649cc parallel twin engine. This engine is based on a platform that Kawasaki has refined for years, and it has become known for lasting an exceptionally long time when properly maintained. The motor delivers smooth power without placing excessive stress on internal components, allowing it to handle daily commuting, highway travel, and long-distance riding with ease. Maintenance requirements are straightforward and relatively inexpensive. Regular oil changes, chain maintenance, coolant service, and scheduled inspections are usually enough to keep the motorcycle operating reliably. The transmission is known for durability, the fuel injection system is reliable, and the overall engineering emphasizes long-term ownership rather than short-term excitement. For riders searching for a reasonably priced motorcycle capable of covering enormous distances, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a compelling option. Number 7. Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt has built a strong reputation among American riders for being one of the most dependable cruisers available at an attainable price. With new models typically priced around $9,000 and used examples often selling for considerably less, the Bolt offers a lot of long-term value for riders who want a motorcycle that can keep going year after year without draining their wallet. The heart of the Bolt is its 942cc air-cooled V-twin engine, a design that prioritizes durability over chasing big horsepower figures. Air-cooled engines have fewer components than many liquid-cooled alternatives, which helps reduce complexity and long-term maintenance concerns. Routine maintenance is refreshingly simple. Oil changes, spark plug replacements, air filter service, and periodic inspections are generally all that is needed to keep the motorcycle running properly. Many owners appreciate that the Bolt avoids unnecessary complications, making it easier and less expensive to maintain than some larger cruisers packed with additional electronics and features. Another major strength is Yamaha's long-standing reputation for reliability. The Bolt's engine, transmission, and drivetrain have proven capable of handling years of commuting, highway riding, and weekend trips with minimal trouble. For riders looking for a cruiser that can realistically stay dependable for decades, the Yamaha Bolt stands out as an excellent choice. Number 6. Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 demonstrates that reliability does not have to come with a premium price tag. In the United States, the Classic 350 typically starts at around $5,000, placing it among the most affordable new motorcycles available. Despite its budget-friendly cost, It has earned praise for its durability, straightforward engineering, and ability to handle years of regular riding with minimal mechanical drama. At the center of the motorcycle is a 349cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine designed with longevity in mind. Unlike high-performance motorcycles that constantly push their engines near the limit, the classic 350 delivers its power in a calm and relaxed manner. One of the biggest reasons the classic 350 can accumulate huge mileage is its mechanical simplicity. Routine service includes basic tasks such as oil changes, chain adjustments, air filter replacements, and scheduled inspections. The classic 350 was built to be a dependable everyday motorcycle rather than a high-speed machine. That philosophy shows in its durable construction and predictable performance. For riders searching for a low-cost motorcycle with proven staying power, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is an excellent example of how simple engineering, regular maintenance, and durable construction can create a machine capable of delivering decades of reliable service. Number 5. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 has spent years building a reputation as one of the most dependable cruisers in America. With used models commonly available between $4,000 and $6,000, it delivers impressive long-term value for riders who want a motorcycle capable of handling huge mileage without constant repair bills. Its combination of proven engineering, comfortable performance, and durability makes it a standout choice for riders planning to keep a motorcycle for many years. Power comes from a 903cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine that has earned praise for its reliability. Kawasaki designed this engine to produce smooth, usable torque rather than extreme performance numbers. Because the motor operates comfortably during normal riding, internal components are subjected to less stress, helping extend engine life over the long term. Basic services such as oil changes, coolant replacement, air filter maintenance, and regular inspections are usually enough to keep the motorcycle in excellent condition. Another key factor is Kawasaki's commitment to solid build quality. The transmission is durable, the fuel injection system has proven reliable, and the motorcycle's overall construction is designed to withstand years of commuting, touring, and everyday use. For riders seeking a cruiser that can realistically approach extraordinary mileage without demanding excessive maintenance costs, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 remains one of the strongest options on the market. Number 4. Suzuki SV 650. The Suzuki SV 650 has long been considered one of the smartest motorcycle purchases in America, and its reputation for reliability is a major reason why. New models typically start at around $8,000, while used examples can often be found for far less. For riders looking for a motorcycle that can deliver hundreds of thousands of miles with routine maintenance, the SV650 has consistently proven itself as one of the strongest contenders in the middleweight category. Its greatest asset is the legendary 645cc V-twin engine. This powerplant has been refined over many years and is widely respected for its durability, smooth operation, and ability to handle high mileage without major mechanical issues. Maintenance is both straightforward and affordable. Regular oil changes, coolant service, chain care, spark plug replacements, and scheduled inspections are typically all that is required to keep the motorcycle performing at its best. The SV650's reliability is also helped by its balanced design. It is powerful enough for highway travel and long-distance riding, yet simple enough to avoid many of the costly issues that can come with more complicated machines. For riders who want maximum reliability without spending a fortune, the Suzuki SV650 remains one of the best examples of dependable engineering. Number 3. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 has become one of America's most trusted beginner and everyday motorcycles, but its appeal goes far beyond accessibility. Starting at around $7,000 when new, the Rebel 500 offers a level of reliability that makes it a serious long-term ownership machine. Riders looking for a motorcycle that can accumulate massive mileage without generating constant repair costs often find themselves returning to the Rebel's proven formula. At the core of its durability is Honda's 471cc parallel twin engine. This engine has earned an outstanding reputation across multiple Honda motorcycles thanks to its smooth operation, efficient design, and ability to withstand years of regular use. Rather than chasing extreme horsepower figures, Honda focused on creating an engine that delivers dependable performance while keeping internal stress levels low. Routine maintenance is simple and affordable. Oil changes, coolant service, chain maintenance, air filter replacements, and scheduled inspections are generally enough to keep the motorcycle running in excellent condition. Another reason the Rebel 500 lasts so long is Honda's commitment to quality manufacturing. The transmission is durable, the engine components are built to tight standards, and the motorcycle is engineered to handle daily use without developing chronic problems. For riders seeking an affordable motorcycle that can remain dependable for years, the Honda Rebel 500 stands as one of the strongest choices available. Number 2. Yamaha Vstar 250. The Yamaha Vstar 250 is one of the smallest motorcycles on this list, but when it comes to long-term reliability, it performs far above its size and price. With a new price of roughly $5,000 and many used examples selling for much less, it is one of the most affordable motorcycles capable of delivering years of dependable service. Riders who value low ownership costs and proven durability often consider the Vstar 250 one of the best bargains in motorcycling. Its 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine is the key to its impressive longevity. Unlike many small motorcycles that rely on single-cylinder designs, the Vstar 250 uses a smooth and proven V-twin that has built a reputation for durability over decades. Ownership costs remain exceptionally low. Oil changes require only a small amount of oil, replacement parts are generally affordable, and routine service is straightforward. Because the motorcycle is lightweight, components such as tires, brakes, and suspension parts often last longer than they do on heavier motorcycles. Yamaha's strong reliability record also plays an important role. The Vstar 250 has remained largely unchanged for many years because the formula simply works. For riders seeking a motorcycle that can provide decades of dependable transportation without expensive upkeep, the Yamaha Vstar 250 is one of the most reliable low-cost options ever sold in the United States. Number 1. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 earns the top spot because it has spent decades proving itself as one of the most reliable motorcycles ever sold in the United States. Whether purchased new or used, the Shadow 750 offers outstanding long-term value. Well-maintained examples are commonly found between $4,000 and $9,000, and many continue running strong even after years of heavy use. Few motorcycles have built a reputation for durability as consistently as the Shadow. Its 745cc V-twin engine is the foundation of that reputation. Honda engineered this powerplant for smooth, dependable performance rather than maximum output, and that decision has paid off in a big way. The Shadow 750 is also famous for its low operating costs. Regular oil changes, coolant service, air filter replacements, and scheduled inspections are generally enough to keep the motorcycle running reliably for years. Another reason the Shadow has become a long-distance reliability legend is Honda's exceptional build quality. The engine, transmission, and drivetrain are known for their durability, and the motorcycle's overall design avoids unnecessary complexity. If the goal is finding a motorcycle that can realistically approach 300,000 miles with basic maintenance, the Honda Shadow 750 stands among the very best. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.